So this is the Karcher MC130. The MC130 is a smaller of Karcher's street sweepers. MC represents a municipal cleaner, and the 130 represents the size of the hopper, which is 1.3 cubic meters or 1.37 cubic yard. It is an articulated piece of equipment, so it articulates at 48 degrees, and this also has oscillation within the center point of it. It's got one cylinder, articulated cylinder there, which helps with the steering and the stability of the piece of equipment while it is articulated, giving it such a close radius of turn axis or ability. It does have a 2.4 Kubota engine, diesel, no DEF, but it is a regen piece of equipment. It has 4 individual wheel motors on it. The frame it has the wheel motors built in it, so it can withstand quite a bit of axle load on it. Just about the same weight of the whole piece of equipment. It is diesel, so it is a 13-gallon diesel tank, and it burns 1.6 gallons per hour at average fuel consumption at an average speed of about 1,600. And the way it's set up right now, it is a three broom system. So it's got a front broom giving you great sweeping access here to it, and it has the mouth in it. It has a straight suction here, giving a great suction power on it. It's got 3 different modes in which the power of the vacuum works at 1,600 RPMs, 2,200 RPMs, or 2,500, and it just does a phenomenal job in sweeping access of it. If you look inside the cab, it is quite a spacious cab here. Windows all the way around it, so you have 2 access points, but the visibility all the way around it, it is just really, really good, giving you great visibility all the way around. All the functionality is from the armrest here. All your working hydraulics are from here. So the driver, the operator can focus on driving the piece of equipment, and just with two buttons, you can have the whole system set up, ready to go, ready to sweep, and just focus on the front broom if you're using the front broom. If you just focus on that and driving with all the visibility you have. You have great lighting here. You got halogen lights, and you also have working lights here in the front. You have water nozzles on all 3 brooms on it. On the side ones, the front ones, coming from the fresh water tank. And you can see the gauge of the fresh water. It holds 52 gallons of fresh water and 40 gallons of regen water, recycled water within the hopper. Also has a 10-foot wand that you can vacuum in areas that you can't get the sweeper in. You can pull this wand and just vacuum whatever you need to vacuum. Also has a pressure washer where you can pressure washer the whole piece of equipment, or areas that need to be cleaned via pressure washer on it. And pretty easy to fill. You fill from here, and then you have also fill points for the recycle tank here, and this is the indicator of when the recycled water is full. This hopper will dump at 61 inches, and it just the hinge point is here, so you can dump in most dumpsters or any area. You have 2 cameras. You have a rear camera in the back, and you also have a camera at the mouth of the suction vacuum. And so if you're driving, you can look at either camera from within the cab, on your steering wheel. Right from here, you can see the camera. So if you're going over something and you want to see If your vacuum, if there's any debris stuck inside at the mouth of the vacuum, you can see it. This will show you the rear camera. And this will show you the mouth of the vacuum, and you can also drop, and you can see what is at the, and if you need to raise it, you can just raise it from within the cab and keep an eye on whatever's stuck under there, if it's been removed or not. So that is the MC 130 Karcher.